Hello, my name is Wartonin Rahman. I'm from Biology Education Faculty Teacher Training and Education Mularman University. I made this video to fulfill my English assignment from Mrs. Rukoya Nasution. Today I will discuss the improved ozone layer in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the end 2019, yesterday, we were shocked by the epidemic of COVID-19 or coronavirus that is spreading and infecting more than 1 million people worldwide. The emergence of the coronavirus was first detected in China in early December 2019. At that time, a number of patients come to the hospital in Wuhan with symptoms of an unknown disease. This virus spreads very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This is make some countries to implement policies to impose lockdown in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the respiratory system. In many cases, this virus only cause mild respiratory infection, such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as lung infection or pneumonia. It is suspected that the coronavirus was initially transmitted from animal to human. However, it was later discovered that coronavirus was also transmitted from human to human. But behind the malignancy of the coronavirus, there is no good news amid the global pandemic. A scientific paper published in the journal Nature stated that the Earth's ozone hole is starting to close. COVID-19 pandemic also contribute to acceleration of the recovery this ozone hole. Industrial cities in Europe, such as Rome, Paris, and Madrid, are currently in lockdown to tackle the spread of coronavirus. Industrial factories that contribute greenhouse gases are closed, and cars that contribute carbon dioxide are parked in the garage. As a result, air quality in some of the city is getting better. Based on observation from the satellite Copernicus Sentinel-5P, showed a strong decrease on the concentration of nitrogen dioxide in several major cities in Rome, such as Lisbon, Madrid, and Rome. The decrease in NO2 level in Madrid in March was 41 to 56%, and the decrease in NO2 level in Rome is 26 to 36%, since the lockdown was better than before. While the city of Lisbon was decreased the NO2 level by 40 to 51%, since the preparation of health emergencies compared to before. Cities in the United States too, which the famous of density of vehicle, has decreased the carbon dioxide level by 50% since the implementation of lockdown. Whereas in Asia, China and India, which are famous for the world's air pollution, suffered significant conditions. In several major cities in China decreased NO2 levels. Emission of exhaust gases from cars, power plant, and factory was decreased by 40% since the lockdown was implemented. Whereas in India, PM2.5 concentration fell 71% in the week since the lockdown was implemented. COVID-19, which has spread throughout the world, centrally make the government take important policies such as lockdown and work from home or the like, which have an impact on declining industrial activities and so on. Therefore, the increasing level of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and methane compounds, they have been triggering the depletion of the ozone layer have decreased dramatically, thus helping the Montreal Protocol accelerate the recovery of the ozone layer.